What's going on YouTube? iDevice Help here, and today I got a very special video for you guys, and that is how to unlock the iPhone 4S and iOS 6 and iOS 6.0.1 with the new Chevy Ultra S. Now, make sure you guys follow the video description down below. It's very important that you read it, because as Apple releases more updates to the iPhone 4S, if this same Chevy is supported, I will be adding the information down below, letting you guys know that yes, it is supported. So as you can see here, this is an iPhone 4S running iOS 6.0, but again, it supports 6.0.1, which is also available right now. This is at AT&T. It's for GSM iPhones only, okay? CDMA coming soon right after the jailbreak is available. Now, how do you know if you own a GSM or a CDMA iPhone? I'm going to have this link, again, in the video description down below to this Wikipedia article. It's sorted here by alphabetical order. I'm going to go ahead and select the U for the United States, where I live. Of course, you select your own country. And I'm going to go ahead and find the United States here in this list, and go ahead and find AT&T. So go ahead here, carriers AT&T right there. So that's AT&T. If I scroll over here to the right, it says it's a GSM iPhone. So that means this video will work for you, because this unlock is for GSM iPhones against CDMA iPhones coming in the future once the jailbreak is available. Now, let's go ahead and dial 611 to make sure that this device is running on AT&T's network. All right.
Welcome to AT&T.
So there it is. It just called AT&T. What I'm going to do is here, I have the Chevy sitting right next to me here, as you can see, with a T-Mobile SIM card. What I'm going to do is I'm going to drop this AT&T SIM card here. And to prove that this device is locked, I'm going to go ahead and insert this T-Mobile SIM card. And it should make the device crash and tell me that it is an invalid SIM card. Okay. So let's go ahead and wait for that. Now, you must be connected to Wi-Fi. One of the most important things. Make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi for this entire process, or it will not work for you, okay? So you must be connected to Wi-Fi. Now, this other white SIM card that you get here, I'm going to discuss here in a minute, is to program the Chevy itself to unlock the device, okay? For different GSM iPhones, you have to program the Chevy before you do, and I'll demonstrate that process. Now, after I demonstrate the unlock, I will demonstrate how to fix the network, how to set up your internet as well. So that'd be the second part of this video. So there it is, the device is crashing. And then at the end of the video, I'll show you where to buy it, so you can buy safely and not get scammed. So if I go ahead next here, it's going to tell me that it's invalid SIM card. I cannot use it with this device. So I'm going to go ahead and take out the SIM card, and I'm going to power off this device. So this is where the process begins. You want to power off your device. You want to grab the white SIM card that you get with the Chevy, and you want to insert it on top of the Chevy itself. So this is the programmer, okay? That's what it's called. We're going to go ahead and boot up. And we're going to program the Chevy itself right now, once it's done booting up. Again, very important, make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi. I'm going to be unlocking AT&T to T-Mobile, but it does work for all carriers, GSM carriers, that is, Simple Mobile, all the carriers that use the SIM card. So there it is. We have successfully booted up. We're going to go ahead and wait for the prompt. It's going to prompt us with the carrier list. So there it is. Let's go ahead and select United States AT&T. For me, that's the one I'm unlocking to. Go ahead and hit accept. That means the Chevy has just been programmed to unlock AT&T. So we're going to power off the device, and we're going to take out the Chevy out of the device while we power it off. Now we can get rid of the white SIM card. We're done programming. We're going to go ahead now and drop the T-Mobile SIM card on top of the Chevy. And now we're going to go ahead and power up once again. All right. Now, CDMA iPhones, 4Ss. Make sure you guys stay tuned to the channel. Make sure you click that subscribe button so you stay tuned to the latest on unlocks. Once the jailbreak is available for iOS 6, I will have a video on an unlock once the Chevy gets updated for CDMA support. So once the unlock is available for CDMA, I'll have the unlock video for you guys. Now, you don't need to be jailbroken on this device in order to unlock it. You don't have to be jailbroken, okay? So that's another plus for GSM iPhones. You don't have to be jailbroken in order to unlock with Chevys. So here it is searching. Let's go ahead and wait. I keep getting that voicemail from T-Mobile. Alright, we're going to hit accept. And you might get prompted twice. So this whole process could take up to a minute. And I don't want to cut the video so you guys can see the entire process. So when you go ahead and buy your own Chevy, you can know what to expect and how to do the entire process. I know the video might be a little bit long, but that way you guys fully understand the entire of unlocking process. So, I mean, feel free to fast forward to this part here, but I just wanted to make sure you guys see the entire process. There it is. We got prompted once again. You could get prompted twice, maybe 3 times, depending on your Wi-Fi connection. Alright, so we should see an unlock here soon. Now we got the no service, and there it is, T-Mobile on the iPhone 4S, iOS 6. Let's go ahead and make sure we're still, there it is, iOS 6. It still says it's an AT&T iPhone, but as you can see, the carrier is T-Mobile. We're going to go ahead and look at the carrier right here. Now we have a carrier option, and we're going to call 611, and T-Mobile should be on the other end this time around. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's call again. Sometimes the network takes a little bit to register. There it is.
Mobile 4G. Now faster and more dependable. Para continuar en español.
So you can see there, T-Mobile. It gave me 2 errors at first when I tried calling. Let's do that again. The network wasn't fully registered yet. So there it is. Alright, so now we're successfully unlocked. I am using T-Mobile on an AT&T iPhone 4S. So now the next part of this video is setting up the internet. So what you want to do is you want to go into your Safari web browser, and I'll have this link to this website in the video description down below as well. That is why it's very important that you guys read that description for up-to-date information, and also for all the links, of course. You're going to go ahead and go to this webpage, which I'll have in the links down below, and you're going to go ahead and hit Create APN. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and hit Create APN, and we're going to select the country. In my case, is the United States. And the carrier that I unlocked to was T-Mobile. Again, this is to set up the internet, the data plan, if you have one. Now, of course, you must be connected to Wi-Fi in order to get this to work, or else you won't be able to go into your Safari web browser. Now, once you create your own profile, you go ahead and click Install Now, and it should install your data settings on the device itself. So we're going to go ahead. You're going to get this white icon here. That's perfectly fine. We're going to go ahead and we're going to go into the settings and Wi-Fi options, and we're going to click it off, and we should have the Edge. On the AT&T iPhones here in the United States for T-Mobile, we only get Edge. Now, some places are being supported for 4G, but as of right now, it's only Edge where I live. If you are lucky enough to get the 4G speeds on T-Mobile here in the United States, then you are in luck. As you can see there, I'm on the Edge network for T-Mobile, and the website apple.com is loading up. Rather slow, of course, because it's a slower data, but it is loading up, as you can see there. Alright, let's go ahead and wait for that. Now, some people also have asked me about the, there it is, AT&T, having issues with text messaging. Now, I don't have any issues with text messaging. Everything has been working fine. Voicemail, you have to call your own voicemail to set it up. And for text messages, if you do have any issues with your text messages, call the carrier you just unlocked to. In this case, I would have to call T-Mobile if I was to run into any issues, and let them know that you're using an unlocked iPhone 4S on their network, and they will give you, I think it's a 12-digit code that you call, and then once you call that number, it gives you back a message, a pop-up message, and it sets up the internet, or excuse me, the text messages on your device. That is if you have any issues, but right now mine's are working perfectly fine. As you can see there, the device is fully unlocked. We have network connection, we have phone calls, everything is good. So now the last part of this video is where can you grab this Jevy. Alright guys, so here on my Safari web browser, I have my blog, which is iDeviceHelpUs.blogspot.com. Of course, this is where you stay up to date with the latest information on everything iOS devices. I also have the Jevys here. I team up with the guys at Hero Wireless, based in New York City. These guys are bringing these unlocks to you guys. Thanks once again to you guys at Hero Wireless for helping me bring these unlocks to you guys. So here on this section where I have the image here of the Jevy for iOS 6 and the CDMA for iOS 5. Again, GSM only supported for iOS 6 as of right now. Make sure you stay up to date by coming to this blog and checking it out. As it says here, Jevy Ultra S for iPhone 4S only, support for GSM from 5.1 up to iOS 6.0, which is this device. And for iPhone 4S CDMA, it's from 5.0 up to 5.1.1. No iOS 6 for CDMA yet. So coming soon. Go ahead and click here, Jevy version 2.0, GSM only. Let's see if you guys can see that. Sorry, I was out of focus there. So anyway, that's what it says there. Jevy Ultra S 2.0 update iOS 6 GSM only. You want to go ahead and select that, and you go ahead and go through the purchasing process. Now, no international shipment as of right now, guys. It's been rather difficult to get that going. But if you guys have somebody that lives here in the United States, or if you don't live here in the United States, they can buy it for you and then they can ship it to you. We can do that. But no international shipment as of right now, only United States. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please thumbs up, guys. I really do appreciate it, and it helps me out a lot. Also, like I said, make sure you read the description for all the information I discussed for this unlock, and make sure you stay up to date with the latest information, like always, by going to iDeviceHelpUs.blogspot.com. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below, or follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. The links will be down below as well. It's been iDevice. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.